In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets. From here, scroll down a bit, and then you will see e-commerce right here, and then about halfway down, you will see pop-up right here. Click on that, and then that is going to take you to the pop-up widgets page. From here, if you scroll down a bit more, you will see this create widget for free button. Click on that, and then this is going to take you to the pop-up template section. Now on the left hand side here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different pop-up templates that you can go with, and on the right hand side you get a little preview of what each of these templates is going to look like on your Shopify store. If you take a look at the right hand side here as well, you also have a mobile view. So if you click on that, this allows you to see what each of the templates are going to look like if it's browsed from a mobile device. Now I do want to mention one thing, none of these templates are final. You can customize pretty much anything that you see on them anyway. That includes the background color, the images, the text, the buttons, etc. So for now, just go with the template that you like the most. In my case, I'm going to go with this new collection template here because I quite like the look of it. So once you've selected a template that you want to go with, go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then this is where we can now start customizing the template to our liking. So now as you can see here, you have a background. Click on this, and of course you can change the color if you want to. You can make it red if you'd like to. In my case, I'm going to keep it white, and as you probably already saw, any changes that you make on the left hand side here will automatically get reflected on your right hand side here. That way it's very easy for you to keep track of the changes that you are making. In my case, like I said, I'm going to keep this white, so I'm going to click on done here, and then as you can see that here are all the blocks that make up this pop-up. So you have the heading, you have the spacing, you have heading again, text, button, and image. Of course, if you want to, you can add even more elements to this. As you can see, these are all the elements that you can add. In my case, I'm not going to add any more elements because I want to keep it nice and clean. Then you also have layout here. So for example, if you don't want the pop-up to appear right in the middle of the screen, you can have it on the left hand side, on the right hand side, top bar, etc. Make sure that you choose the layout first before you start customizing the contents of the pop-up, because as you can see, this is quite a big one here, and if you have so little content, it wouldn't make much sense. So in my case though, I'm going to keep it to model like this, and yeah, as you can see, there's a bunch of other settings that you can go through here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about every single detail that you can change, so I'll leave this up to you to kind of like explore and figure out at your own pace. But yeah, once you're ready with the pop-up and you like the look of it, go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and that will save your widget. Next up, you'll be taken to this page right here, which is now where we need to publish the widget. So go ahead, click on publish in the top right corner of the screen right here, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. Now, since this is the first widget that we are creating from Elfsight, as you can see, we can actually go for the free plan right here as it supports one widget. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities or if you want to use more than one widget, you can always go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, there are quite a few different ones that you can choose from. But in my case, as you can see, I have gone for the free plan. So once you've selected a plan, you will then be taken to the code page, which is where you can copy the code of your widget. It will look just like this. Let me just get there. It will look just like this. Copy code here, and then let's head over to Shopify so we can integrate it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Shopify editor here. I'm on my home page. And by the way, it doesn't matter where you add the pop-up because all the settings and its configuration has already been set up and customized in Elfsight. So here you can add it pretty much anywhere you want, in the header, in the footer, or in the middle here. In my case, I'm going to add it in the template section. So I'm going to click on that section here. And then from this window, scroll down a bit, and then you'll see custom liquid near the bottom. Click on that, and then this is going to add a custom liquid section here. Click on it, and then in this box, you want to paste the code that we just copied before. Paste it, give it a couple of seconds to load up, and as you can see, here is the pop-up. I'm going to click on save here, full screen, and there you go. That's what the pop-up looks like. As you can see, you can fully interact with it like normally, shut it down even if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a pop-up to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.